Okay, as I explained last time, I get a lot of marine biology articles and stuff like that, and I saw this one and I wanted to explain some new developments on the siren, which is like an eel. Um, so this is by Sci News, and it says the new species of siren discovered in the United States, which is awesome because the United States never gets no new discoveries like this. It's pretty cool that we finally get something, which is Uh, the article states sirens are elongate eel-like aquatic salamanders belonging to the family Sirenidae. The family belongs to the order Caudata. I'm not a professional speaker, and currently comprises two genera, siren and whatever that says. All living sirens possess external gills with comb-like filaments, lidless eyes, and laterally compressed tails with fin blades. Additionally, they lack pelvic girdles and associated hind limbs, a trait unique within salamanders. Despite the abundance of siren in some aquatic habitats, relatively little research has been conducted on interspecific differences in natural history and phylogeography of the genus. For approximately 4 decades, scientists have known of the existence of several undescribed species of siren in the southeastern United States coastal plain, said Dr. Matthew Fedler and his colleagues from the Fish and Wildlife Research Institute at the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission. One of these species, Siren reticulata, was recently described, but a small seepage-dwelling species remained undescribed until now. To resolve outstanding questions concerning the phylogeny of siren, we collected sequence and morphometric data from specimens across the range of siren. The newly identified species, Siren sphastigolacala, common name is seepage siren, thank God, or that's what we're going to call it by now, is around 20 centimeters in total length, making it the smallest known species in the siren genus. The seepage siren has a typical siren characteristics: external gills with 3 phlemorbic gills stalks, 3 associated gill slits, 4 toes on the 4 limbs, lack of pelvic girdle and hind limbs, and a thin pigment-bearing mucus layer that overlies the keratinized skin, the researcher said. A combination of traits distinguishes it from other members of the genus. It has 30 to 33 coastal grooves and a mouse gray base color with occasionally a light grayish-brown sheen on the dorsum. The seepage siren ranges from the Florida parishes of Louisiana eastward to the westernmost tributary creeks of Chocowachee Bay in the western Florida panhandle. The seepage siren has a smaller geographic distribution other than siren species, the scientist said. Most specimens have been found in the Blackwater, Yellow, and in Cambia Conecuh River drainages of Florida and Alabama. Elsewhere, its range is poorly known, but we believe it is restricted to the environs of sandy seepage-fed creeks in the lower Gulf coastal plain as far west as the Florida parishes of Louisiana. The discovery of siren blah 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 is reported on a paper in the journal Zootaxa. And so besides the butchering of every fucking other word in that article, I thought it was super interesting that there's they kind of subtly said that there are like a couple of them that they just aren't aware of, and they haven't done any research on it, so they can't officially state anything. And that's just been known for a while. That blew my mind. So, the new Siren DLC, a new character just got unlocked, and there's a few others that are known but not quite yet revealed. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. That's it.